Quadratics solved by factorising. Set 3, first 16 questions. And these start off looking like they've got bigger numbers in, and we've only got primes down to here, look. And let's see how we get on. X plus 21, 22 even, x plus 1 equals 0. Multiply to 22, add to 23. Signs are the same, they're both pluses. Remember that. X is minus 22, x is equal to minus 1. X minus 9, 10 even. And that's plus actually, and x minus 1 equals 0. Multiply to 10, minus 10, and they add up to 9. X is minus 10, x is 1. X minus 6, x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is 6, x is 2. X minus 6, x plus 5 equals 0. X is 6, x is minus 5. 52 is 13 fours, so x minus 13, x minus 4 equals 0. X equals 13, comma x equals 4. X minus 9, x plus 8 equals 0. X equals 9, x equals minus 8. X minus 8, x plus 5 equals 0. X equals 8, x equals minus 5. Minus 5, let's make it clear. 42, 7 sixes, x plus 6, x plus 7 equals 0 because they add up to 13. X equals minus 6, x equals minus 7. 3 16s, 48. 4 8s, 4 12s even, which multiply to 48 with a difference of 8. So 3x minus 12 and 3x plus 4 equals 0. X equals minus 4, x equals minus 4 thirds. 13 12s, which add up to 25, could be 13 and 12. 13x plus 13, 13x plus 12 equals 0. This one would cancel to x plus 1, x equals minus 1, x equals minus 12 over 13. Multiply to 11, add up to 12, 11x plus 11, 11x plus 1 equals 0. X equals minus 1, x equals minus 11th. 2 45s are 90, factors of 90 which add up to 23. 1 and 90, 2 45, 3 33, or just 30 actually. 5 does 18 times, they add up to 23. 2x plus 18, 2x plus 5 equals 0. X equals minus 9, x equals minus 5 over 2. 7 20s, 140, factors of 140 with a difference of 4, 7x, x minus 14, 7x plus 10. Signs are different. The big number 14 goes with a minus. X equals 2, x equals minus 10 over 7. Fractions are kingly, but it's a fraction. 3 8s 24, factors of 24 which add up to 14, 3x plus 12, 3x plus 2 equals nothing. X equals minus 4, x equals minus 2 thirds. 5 21s 105, factors of 105 which add up to 38, 35 and 3, 5x, take away 35, 5x, take away 3 equals 0. X equals 7, x equals 3 fifths. 522 is 110, factors of 110 with a difference of 1, 11 and 10. So 5x minus 11, the big number, goes with a minus when the signs are different, and 5x plus 10. This one would cancel by a factor of 5, so x is equal to 11 fifths, x is equal to minus 2, no, just minus 2, and cancel the 5. And the last 16, and we're done. Right, we're going for speed. 5 8s, 40, 5x plus 10, 5x plus 4 equals 0. I'm not going to say it again. I'm not factorising these. I'm just going to go to the answers. Minus 2, x equals minus 4/5. 11 sixes, 66. 11x plus 11. 11x minus 6 is 0. X equals minus 1. X equals 6/11. 8 3s, 24. 12 2s. 8x plus 12. 8x plus 2 equals 0. Change the sign, divide by that. X equals minus 3/2. X equals minus quarter. 9 2s are 18. 9x in each bracket. Signs are different. Equals 0. Multiply to 18. Difference of 3. 6 and 3. Divides by 3. Divides by 3. X equals minus 2/3. X equals 1/3. 6 3s, 18 again. Add up to 11, 9 and 2. 6x plus 9. Signs are the same. They're both plus. 6x plus 2. Change the sign, divide by the number of x's, which is 6 in both cases. This divides by 3. This divides by 2. 3 2s are 6. X equals minus 3/2. X equals minus 1/3. 4 3s are 12. Multiply to 12. Add to 7. 4 and 3. 4x plus 4 is 4 times too many, so that would divide by 4, but we're not going to bother. And this is 4x plus 3. Change the sign, divide by 4. X equals minus 3/4. 15/8. 120. Factors of 120, which add up to 22. 12 and 10. 15x plus 10. 15x plus 12. One of them divides by 3, the other one divides by 5. 5 3s are 15. Signs the same, divide plus. X equals minus 2/3. X equals minus 4/5. 48 5s, 240. Factors of 40 with a 240 with a difference of 1, 15 and 16. 48x plus 16, because the big number, 16, not 15, goes with the plus sign when the signs are different. And 48x minus 15 equals 0. This divides by 16. X equals minus 1/3. This divides by 3. 16 3s are 48, which is the factor that we need to get rid of. And x equals 5/16 divided by 3. Yeah, good. 36 minus 25 x squared. The difference of two squares, but unusually the number is first and the number of x squares is next. Square root, and it goes in there as well. Square root of 25x squared is 5x. One's a plus, one's a minus. 5x equals minus 6. Change the sign, divide by that one. Minus 6/5. Change the sign, divide by that one. Minus divided by minus is a plus. 6/5. And of course we expect 1's plus 1's minus. 7 times 49 is 343. 343 is not square, but if we do 7x squared minus 49 equals 0, we can get rid of 7 by dividing by 7 both sides, as we've done before. X plus 7, difference of two squares. Square root of x is x squared is x. Square root of 49 is 7. 1's a plus, 1's a minus. And the answer is 1's a minus, and the second one's a plus. 8 and 15, neither are square, but 2 lots of 4x squared minus 25. Now we've got a square number here and a square number there. And just get rid of the 2 in the same way that we've got rid of the 7. Not divided by 2 is the same as not divided by 7, which is 0. 2x plus 5, 2x minus 5. I think we might have done that one before, but hey. X equals minus 5/2. X equals 5/2. 63 is 180. Factors of 180 with a difference of 11, 29. 60x plus 20. Signs are different. The big number goes with the plus. And 60x minus 9 equals 0. This divides by 20. X equals minus 1/3. This divides by 3. X is equal to 3/20. Or 0.15 if you want, but hey, fractions are king. Rearrange. 12x squared plus 5x minus 28 equals 0. 12/28. I'm going to do this a different way, 12 times 28 is the same as 3 times 4 times 4 times 7. And if we do 3 times 7 and make 21, and 4 times 4 is 16, 21 16s will be the same as 12 28s. And they've got a difference of 5, because we want a difference of 5 multiplying to whatever 12 28s is. 12x in each bracket, 12x in each bracket equals 0. One's a plus, one's a minus, and the big number goes with the plus. And 16, one divides by 3, the other divides by 4, and there's the factor of 12 we want. I'm going to bother with that. This divides by 3, minus 7 divided by 4. This divides by 4, x equals 4 over 3. 12x squared minus 7x minus 12 equals 0. And again, if this was a test or really up to speed, I'd do the same as I would have done there. Change the sign, equals 0, 12 12 is 144, factors of 144. There's lots of them, but the one with the difference of 7 is 16 and 9. 12x minus 16, the big number goes with the minus sign when they're both different, and 12x plus 9. One divides by 4, the other divides by 3, x equals 4 over 3, x equals minus 3 over 4. Not square, it's a two-term quad, but if we divide by a factor of 3, then we get 3 bracket x squared minus 25. Now we've got something similar to we had before, similar to there, but we've got 1x squared divided by 3, x plus 5, x minus 5. One's a plus 5, and this one's a minus 5, x equals 5. 14x squared minus x minus 3 equals 0. 14 3 is 42. Factor of 42, difference of 1, because there's 1x there, is 14x minus 7, and 14x plus 6, because 6 7s are 42, which is the same as 14 3s, double that one, half that one, equals 0, and they've got a difference of 1. Big number goes with minus 1, they're both different. X equals a half, x equals 6 over 14, which is 3/7, but we change the sign.